Brigada Eskwela is an annual program that brings together teachers, parents, students, volunteers, and the community to prepare schools for the opening of classes. Through teamwork, volunteerism, and bayanihan, we help create a clean, safe, and welcoming learning environment for every learner.
I am encouraging everyone to participate for our upcoming Brigada Eskwela 2026 on June 1 to 6. This aims to prepare the school for the upcoming opening of the school year 2026-2027. Our school needs minor repairs for the classroom and for the laboratories to prepare for the students in their class. And also, we are going to enhance also our school in order for this to become more pleasurable to our clients, and that is why the Brigada Eskwela is being held next week. So I am also inviting the stakeholders, the students, the parents, the local government, and other stakeholders in our community to participate for this endeavor. Indeed, we are looking forward that more stakeholders will join us in the conduct of this Brigada Eskwela to make it a successful one.
Tara na! Mag-Brigada Eskwela na ta!
Tara na!
Tara na!
Tara na!
Tara na! Tara na!